A first run down the dock on Monday morning reveals a smoky scene, an indication of just how serious the wildfires out west really are. Substantial activity continues around the ramp, where cabling and controls are being wired and railings are being placed on the towers. This section of elements for the heated sidewalk is nearing completion. Nearby, electricians are preparing to install the electronic notice board. Before very long, with the frame in place, it's ready to be lifted. The heavy-duty mounting hardware suggests that this will be safe from even a hurricane. Wiring up the pendant control box of the ramp occupies much of the day. Preparing the ramp demands mechanical, electrical, and hydraulic skills. Something is happening behind the fenders on the inside of the south finger dock, but I have no idea what it might be. We'll close the day observing discussions inside the hydraulic control hut. Tuesday sees hydraulic work continue. It includes cleaning and lubricating components. The removal of fencing near the passenger terminal is further evidence of tidying up and preparing, perhaps, to depart. The pacing we see here is perhaps a good old-fashioned way of measuring out the cable required to connect the new notice board. These activities lend some credence to that notion. All the while, work continues on the ramp installation. Elevator specialist presence on Wednesday confirms that there must be one in the passenger terminal. On the ramp's north tower, sign language is used to convey instructions to the welders. Leading to work on the safety mechanisms. Work to tidy up the site was once again quite evident. can't end the day without remarking that in the afternoon, some sort of inspection appeared to be taking place. And work continued on the ramp. Surveyors seen on Ontario Street in the morning made their way around the dock all day. An as-built survey, perhaps? Another hazy start to the day revealed work taking place to connect the apron pistons. A really important development that benefited from a gentle nudge. Nearby, preparation of a heated sidewalk for concrete was in the late stages. Another encouraging sign was the installation of the vertical ladders that will allow people access to the ramp towers later. Excitingly, this proved to be the day when the ramp was seen to move hydraulically for the first time. A moment well worth remembering for the team. There was another surprise visitor on Friday morning, cutting slabs for an undetermined purpose. There was final fitting of the tower ladders, and up by the entrance, Lennox Fencing were continuing their railing installation. The main focus of attention, though, continued to be the area around the ramp. Early afternoon would find the eye drawn to a gathering on the ramp. This certainly had the air of a briefing and demonstration. There was an air of expectancy as controls were manipulated. And then the ramp came to life. A series of likely tests and demonstrations would follow. With the odd adjustment. We'll round out this week with a run along the whole length of the new dock, allowing you to get a feel for just how things are going. I look forward to seeing you next week. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing.